Today I'm going to be taking the case off of my OtterBox iPhone XS Max. You have to pull this off. See that? Same thing over here. You might need some nails. It's 3 pieces. So again, it's like this, then you just peel it off. Once that's off, you can put that aside. And then they have tabs over here. Tab over here, tab over here, tab over here, tab over here. Pull off the tab. That's the first thing. Pull off this tab. It may cause another tab to fall off. Need to pull this tab. Pull this tab off. See, it's coming off. Might have to pull a tab again. There's another tab over here. Voila! The case is off. So again, take the phone, put it on to here. Make sure the tab is aligned. Trying to make sure. Again, I'm not doing any of it right. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then you put this back on. Slide it on. Once it's slid on, you just have to push, 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 and the OtterBox case is back on. So I'll do it one more time. It needs to be separated over here. You might need some fingernails. Separate over here. Separate the rubber outside part. Sorry. And then you just have to pull the tab from each part of the phone. This tab over here. Pull. And it might just come out. Pull this tab. Pull this tab out. This side's not done yet. Pull the tab. And that's it. Voila!